So in this session, I'm going to explain you about the add-ins that are available in Excel. So for adding add-ins, I've already uploaded a video, which was the previous session. So you can watch that and you will be able to learn that how to add add-ins in the Excel. So as you can see, our first add-ins which I'm going to discuss is AI added formula editor. In previous video, I have added that in my Excel. So now you can see it is visible here. So when you click over it, so you will get the menu related to AI edit formula editor. Just click over it. You will get on right side the AI edit formula editor. It will take some time to load. Just click on AI generator and I'm going to basically generate a formula. Suppose I am having this sheet. Let me just increase the size of the sheet. So see here I am having some marks and names and some serial numbers. So I just want to find the total number and the average of these numbers. So I need to write the formula here. What you have to do, just simply write. You can simply use some simple language, any simple language. I am using uh, C2 say laker. We have to add F2 add karo. So simply I have written this and just click on submit button. So what it will do, it will simply generate the formula for this. So you can see, just copy the formula and paste over here. Just simply double click over here and you will get the other values. Same way, when you want to find the average, just simply change here like C2 से लेकर F2 average करो and just click on submit button. So now you can see it will simply provide you the average formula, and just copy it and paste it over here and simply just double click over here. So you will get the total and average of this data by using the AI aided formula editor. So you can use simple language over here for generating the formulas, and by just copying the formula in your sheet you will get the results.